YouTube, we back with another vlog, man. Got the crew. We back another vlog.
Don't do that.
Don't do that now. But yeah, I'm doing shopping. So I leave in the morning. And I want to get some stuff before I leave. I did want to. I asked her. She threw a whole fit saying I didn't want her to come, and I did want her to come. But I did want her to come. But I'm getting some stuff for my leave tomorrow in the morning. Maybe it's stopped right here. Or you know the Walmart. She gonna lead the way then. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all like the vlogs mixed in with the pranks and stuff. But this one might just be a vlog. So from now on, it's gonna be me doing football stuff. I'm trying to do some campus stuff when I get that. Yeah, G gonna be vlogging his day at work. Ain't that right? You be crying, setting up the camera. Oh God.
Doing the little Travis Scott shit. Play that clip.
Hey, play that clip. But yeah. Ooh, they got the Yeezys. Ooh, caught me some of them bad boys. Yeah, $10.
No, 17.
17. These are men's right here? 3-pack? Like $20?
These go crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. Wait till my trunk. Oh shit, I'm getting draws for real. That's. Ooh.
These athletic though.
See, that's so fucking fun. Yeah, you need these.
I know. I'm gonna come back. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. See which one is.
6-pack.
Yeah, 6-pack for 20. I'll get a 6-pack. Fruit alone, you know, there's some. Come get some slight.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit is cheap as fuck.
How much is that?
17. I mean, well, 16.
This neutral best fit guaranteed. Fruit alone go crazy. Neutral colors in the white. They say niggas from Chicago have a mirror in their shirt, but inside tag say gilded. It's crazy. To the east side. Now we moving on to the. It feel like I'm going out of town. This feel like when I went to Florida. When I went to Florida, Mama woke me up in the middle of the night. And you still going to Florida, right? I'm like, yeah. She's like, come on, let's go to Walmart. We was in this section right here. She brought me all shirts, shorts. I'm like, dang.
I need to give me a locker.
Ooh. Only thing about this, it don't got the armrest. comfortable?
Oh my God. Guys, it's
This is a thumbnail right here. I'll get back to y'all when I'm probably walking to the counter or something interesting happen. All right, y'all. Clocked out, checked out, got the receipt. You know, got the little stuff. I'm gonna take with me tomorrow, and I'm gonna be all set. Be all set. Beautiful.
You feel accomplished?
No, I ain't like that. I had to spend $93.
It's like that.
That completes all my mission. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow in the morning. I don't need a cosign. I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the morning. Out. It's kind of nice. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the morning. Probably like at 4:30.
We gonna put it in the video of her doing that. All the people in the gonna be like, oh my God, why she do that to you?
Because he be running.
I would never.
I will never get your real.
Right, they would never. Because they be tough to fight.
I'll catch y'all later. In the morning. I'm on YouTube. So, I got up like 10 minutes ago. Today is move out day, move in day, check in day, report day, whatever you want to call it. Got my stuff, suitcase, box, very pillow. I'm gonna show you, I noticed last night, I'll show y'all what I bought. Specifically, like, you know, can come in and show y'all what I put in the bag. I was tired, so y'all can see. Like, that bag is so nice and stuff. But yeah, train, go ahead, get to the train station and stuff. So it's time to leave. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, support, so supporting. See, I show support on the channel and stuff like that. You know, peace, love, positivity, positive energy all the way. Oyster, here we come. As I can see. And my little bird helped me with that. That's what we can put all this stuff in there. Come on. just touched down in Macomb. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, I got my bags, man. Waiting to ride to the campus so I can unpack and stuff like that. And then be straight. That ride wasn't too bad either. It was just cold. It was just cold on the train and stuff like that. Yeah, other than that, it was still cool. It's cold. I'm about the street.
You went to Phillips, right?
Yeah.
You got Bruce and all these?
Mm-hmm. And, Willie. Yeah. When I get to campus and stuff, I'll check everything.
Hi, do you mind? Oh my gosh. Do you mind signing your name right here for me and then dating right next to it? Or you don't take the... Yeah, like a card to check out.
No, like y'all, I don't think I could vlog while I got this bag in my hand. Wait, I'm going up to my room now. It's my room. It's the car. Yo. Keeping stuff. Ooh, back. I know I have been updating y'all, but yeah, I've been busy. Been busy on Walmart. Couldn't get a cover because I forgot to get a cover. Get a cover the other day. But yeah, got my equipment and stuff. Got fitted and all that good stuff. And get my cover, and that's it. Finally. Oh, yo, YouTube, we back on the video. So we back on the video. This gonna be the same video, just different. I think 2 days later now. A day later, 2 days later. Went to first day of fall camp. First practice. Got a lot of adjustments to do. Yeah. Get used to the playbook and stuff like that. I used a lot of stuff. Right now, heading to the game room. I left messing around. I left my wallet with my card in at my dorm hall. So now I gotta walk like 5 minutes back to campus. I don't think it's 5 minutes, like 2-3 minutes back to the dorm. And get my wallet. I'm gonna keep my wallet. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I'm officially in the game room. Now they got like 10 minutes to spend. We back. I almost messed up right there, but yeah. Couldn't get in the game room, so I spent like 10 minutes trying to figure out what was going on. They say I wasn't something. So I'm gonna try to check back in tomorrow, see if I get in. But I'm gonna wait till last meeting the other day before lights out. You know, you gotta get in your door open at a certain time. Gotta get used to everything, you know, get a flow. But yeah, look at this view. So man, people steady. I'm locking right now, just got done with the meetings for the day. I'm gonna go walk back to the bed.
I don't want to hear about that shit, bro. That's one time. That's my one and only time. Wait, what? That shit like this.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah. He laid me on the fucking bed. He said that shit down. He laid me on the bed. No gay shit. Come on.
Just admit it. The most 4K shit.
Boom! Damn, I'm not.
Right, guys.
Hey, TJ, bro, you about to post this shit on YouTube, so I gotta tell y'all something. Hey, fool, like and subscribe to my homie TJ on bro.
You already know.
You already know the boss. Hey, if y'all want to add me on Snap, throw some more thick pen. Nah, he probably gonna drop it on here. I'm just gonna let y'all know I've been watching this nigga for a little bit. And that shit low key tough. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. Respect.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it.
Yo, I'm still recording this. You saw me, bro.
You know how I get from beyond that 3-point line, my nigga. You know how I get from behind that 3-point line. What? I want you to try to guard me for real.
You want me to guard you for real?
Watch me on comp.
I want you to try to guard me.
Hey, since I got
You know what I'm from the shoes? You know what I'm from there, bro? You better tell his ass everybody in the rack hoop. What you talking about? You better tell his ass. Everybody cool.
Word. See on God.
For real.
Nigga, we right underneath the rim. I swear to God, on my daddy grave, bro. I would dunk on your shit.
You lying on your dad, bro.
You telling me? You telling? Oh, no. I swear to God. On my daddy. On my daddy. I'm fucking here, nigga. I'm here, nigga. I swear to bro, nigga, I low-key got hoop. I got shoes now, nigga. I was playing in my motherfucking fake ass Yeezy slides. I don't even care if you got that shit.
I was in some Crocs,
nigga.
I was in some Crocs.
I was dunking in Yeezy slides, bro. You ain't dunking in no damn Crocs.
Nigga, I don't have to drive because you can't guard me outside that bitch. I'll be flagging that motherfucker, bro.
I see on God. Hey, TJ, you gonna record this, ho? I swear to God, on my dead granny. We gonna run the ones. And we gonna put that shit. Hey, what you want? What you want? Game to 11 or game to 15 or 21? Which one you
It don't matter, for you know I shoot all threes. My shit no matter where we go to. You're not catching me.
You about to see a clip.
I'll let you dunk that bitch, but when I get the ball, it's over with.
All right. Make it take it or no.
And if you try to dunk me, I'm gonna flip your ass. I'm telling you now.
I'm about to, hey, TJ, you about to catch your body. Put this on video. I swear to God, bro, if I 1v1 this nigga, bro, you gonna catch me with the 360.
He keep working his way up.
Go up to that.
What is he talking about? Stupid. Thomas here on my daddy. Red. Where is God?
I can't.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This was Chilla. First camp. But yeah.
Hey, we here at WIU. We just finished. Is this day 4 of practice? Day 4, day 5, whichever one.
Day 4, day 5.
Look. Hey, what's zoom in. That's gonna be my girl in a few days. That's gonna be my girl in a few days. Trust, bro. Hey, Willie.
My cleats over there.
Yeah, hey, man, I get honored. Hey, you fuck the softball bitches yet? He said no. I'm the first one to do it.
All these niggas claiming gangsta till we show them that they bitches. School game, we militant, we pop outside with Drake switches. Pop a 39 minute, work ass LA Fitness. They like slick, I'm trimming.